Hi everyone, good morning and welcome to our class. My name is Teacher John and today we will start our lesson on lesson number 1. Let's start. So once again, welcome to our English class. Today we will start our lesson on lesson number 1 and the title is Everyday Activities. Everyday activities. This means the things that you do every day. Alright? So, we will learn 42 vocabulary related to everyday activities. Please listen and pay attention to our class. Are you ready? Let's get started. So the first one is very easy. This is take a shower. Or you can also say take a bath. Take a shower or take a bath. Second one, can you guess this? It's comb hair. Alright? Comb hair. This is silent B, so you don't say comb. You say comb hair. Number 3. Get dressed. Get dressed. When we say get dressed, you wear clothes. You get dressed. For example, after you taken a bath, so you wear your clothes. It means you get dressed. Number 4, brush teeth. Very easy. Number 5, get up or wake up. So usually we use an alarm clock when we get up, especially when we go to school. Personally, I use alarm clock when I go to school or when I go to work because if I don't use an alarm clock, I think I will wake up very late. So I use an alarm clock. So this is the alarm clock. Number 6. Number 6, can you guess what's this GIF is? So this is go to sleep. Go to sleep. Okay. Number 7, go to the toilet. And number 8, wash face. Okay. Number 9, I think you always do this. You check the Facebook. Okay. Check Facebook. Number 10, study for exams. Study for exams or you review the lessons. So, for example, tomorrow you will have your test or you will have your exam or you will have your midterm. So what do? You study for the exam or you review the lesson. When we say review the lesson, it means you go back to the lesson and then you study again. You read again. Review the lesson. Don't forget that. Number 11, we have do the dishes. Do the dishes or wash the dishes. You should wash the dishes. Don't follow someone in the video. I think this person is very lazy. You see, the water is now over the sink. The sink, I mean. So when you wash the dishes, you do this, right? Do the dishes or wash the dishes. Number 12, hang out with friends. Hang out with friends or spend time with friends. Right now we have the pandemic, so I think that it's not easy to hang out with friends or to go out and spend time with friends because most of the time we are inside our house, we are watching movies or we are sleeping. So this time it's really difficult to spend time with friends. But if you miss them, if you miss your friends, you can always use your phone. You can call them or you can text them. Number 13 is go hiking. Go hiking. Have you ever gone hiking? Like, have you gone to a mountain? I experienced going to the hiking or going hiking before, like 3 years ago. We went to a very tall mountain, and I think it took us 4 hours to go there. It's very hot. Number 14 is write letters. So when we say write letters, you are writing a message. Okay, using a pen and a paper, you write a message. Okay, you write a letter and then you send it to someone. So before, when there was no phone, no internet, when you want to talk with your friends or you want to talk with your family, you need to write a letter. Number 15, yeah, this is what I'm talking about. Chat online. Chat online. If you miss your friends or if you miss your family, you can use Messenger to chat them online. Alright? Chat online. Number 16, if you feel bored, you can listen to music. Listen to music. What is your favorite music? Number 17, go to the mall. Go to the mall. Okay? I think this is very easy. You go to the mall. And number 18, walk at the street. Walk at the street. So when you want to, when you feel sad, sometimes when you feel bored, you can just go outside and take a walk. Alright? Walk at the street. So you can see people, you can see public transportations like bus, taxis, or motorcycles, and also you can breathe fresh air. Number 19 is swim at the beach. So swim at the beach. And number 20 is play football. Play football. Or you can also say soccer, right? So football or soccer. Next, number 21 and number 22 is go dancing. Go dancing. So you dance. And number 22 is talk to the boss. So you talk to the boss. The boss is the leader of a company. So that's your boss. So you can talk to the boss. Number 23 is ride a horse. You ride a horse. What are other things that you can ride on? You can also ride on a bicycle. And number 24, take a picture. Take a picture. 25 is drive a car. Drive a car. Do you know how to drive a car? And number 26, go shopping. Go shopping. Look at the people here. They're going. They are going shopping and they are dancing. I think they are happy. Go shopping. And number 27 is to wait for the bus. Wait for the bus. So if you want to go to work or you want to go to school, you wait for the bus. And number 28, ride a bicycle. Ride a bicycle. 29, stay up late. Stay up late. When I say stay up late, it means you sleep late. Alright? So, for example, you are texting with someone, you are talking to your boyfriend or to your girlfriend. So usually you stay up late. Stay up late. Or when you want to finish a movie. So the events in the movie are very exciting and you want to finish the movie, so you stay up late. You sleep late. So usually you sleep at 11:30, 12:30, 1 a.m. or 2 a.m. So you stay up late. And number 30, play video games. and play video games. I think that nowadays a lot of young people or people with the same age as you are, they are playing video games, right? And number 31 is walk the dog. Walk the dog. So if you have a pet dog, you can take a walk with your pet. You can walk the dog. And number 32 is talk to friends. Talk to friends. So like I said, this time that we have the pandemic, we have COVID-19, it's difficult to talk to friends. But thankfully, as I said, you can use your phone and talk with your friends. Alright? You can text them or you can chat them online. Okay. Number 33 is go to the pool. Go to the pool. And number 34 is water the garden. Water the garden. So when you say water the garden, it's to water the plants in there. Do you have a garden at home? Okay, number 35 is wash the car. Wash the car. If you have a car, yes, you can maybe help your mother or help your father wash the car. 36 is charge the phone. If your phone is empty or your phone's battery is running low, you can charge your phone. Charge your phone. Number 37, download a movie. So if you don't want to watch online, you can download it. Okay, you can download a movie. And 38, play an instrument. Like for example, guitar. You can play a guitar. Number 39, surf the internet. Alright, surf the internet. When we say surf the internet, it means you go and use the internet online. You surf it. Okay, you type something. Okay, and then you search it. You search it on the internet. And number 40 is do homework. Do you do your homework? Okay, do homework. So your teacher will give you homework and you do it. That's do homework. And number 41, work out. Yeah, work out. When I say work out, it's to exercise. And like to build muscles. You exercise, you work out. Okay? And number 42, mop the floor. Okay? When you mop the floor like this is the mop. As you can see, this is the mop. Alright? So mop the floor. Alright, so those are the 42 vocabulary that we are learning about everyday activities or activities. And then we will also learn sentence patterns. We will learn today 3 sentence patterns. Alright, so you have to remember this is very easy. The first one, sentence pattern number 1. How often do you blank? How often do you blank? Sometimes people read this word often. Okay, so either of the two, you can say how often or you can say how often. But I use often. So I would say, how often do you blank? And then you put here an activity. So for example, you go back to the slides and you use this. How often do you can write swim at the beach or play football. So you can write, how often do you swim at the beach? How often do you play football? When we say how often, what does it mean? How often? So I will search the meaning here. I will use Google Translate. How often? Alright, I think my internet is very slow. Okay, so here's it. Here it is, I mean. So when we say how often, it means
บ่อยแค่ไหน
boy can I. Ah.
บ่อยแค่ไหน
Alright, so boy can I. So how often do you swim at the beach? Or how often do you play football? So this is very easy. Again, our sentence pattern is, so how often do you, and then activity. So you can ask your friend, how often do you, example, swim at the beach or play football? Very easy, right? How often do you chat online? How often do you play a guitar? How often do you stay up late? How often do you talk to your friends? How often do you cook food? How often do you walk walk at the street? Okay, very easy, right? So our sentence pattern number 2 is the positive form. So if someone asks you, what do you like to do, or what do you love to do, or what do you enjoy to do, you can answer like this. You can say, I like, and then blank, okay, the activity. I enjoy blank. I love blank, right? Very easy. So you can use this pattern when someone asks you, what do you enjoy to do during weekend? Okay, any question about your hobby? What's your hobby? You can also use this pattern. So you can say, I like doing the dishes. I love spending time with friends. I enjoy swimming at the beach. So as you can see, we have here ing. Okay, so we put ing after the verb. Okay, after the present form of the verb, or the regular form of the verb, like do. We make it doing. So I like doing the dishes. Okay, so don't worry, because your Thai teacher will teach you about this. Okay, so do not worry about that. So again, you can use this sentence pattern: I like, I enjoy, I love, okay, and then the activity. And also for sentence pattern number 3 is the negative part. Okay, you can say, I don't like blank, I hate blank. So you write there an activity. So for example, you can say, I don't like doing the dishes. I don't like doing the dishes. Or you can say, I hate spending time with friends. Okay? So that's it. That's the end of our lesson. Very easy, right? So after this lesson, you are going to answer a Google form. Alright? So if you are ready, you go back to our Google Classroom, or you go back to our group line, and I will post there our Google form for you to answer. Okay? If you are ready, you can answer our worksheet number 1. I will send the link in our line group or in our Google Classroom. Alright, so thank you so much everyone, and I hope you learned something from our class today, and see you again in our next class. Okay, bye bye.